Today I am going to show you how you can rank your YouTube video in the search results even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos. We have a lot of videos on our channel that teaches you how to make money from YouTube by outsourcing the content to others and run multiple channels, thus increasing your revenue. The video I was talking about is one from our own channel. How to avoid copyright strike on YouTube cash cow videos. This video ranks in the top 5 when searched for how to avoid copyright strike and receives a steady number of visitors every day. This video has received around 2,500 views so far, which is not that high. But this video has received a lot of search traffic because it ranks high for some important keywords and brings in a lot of targeted traffic. Also to mention that this channel has only around 850 subscribers as of making this video. Here's some stats of this video. As you can see, the video has received around 130 views with search traffic contributing about 70%. Since published, the video has received around 42.5% of its views from YouTube search traffic. These are some of the keywords the viewers are typing in order to find our video. Now, in order to rank your videos for any keyword, you need to make sure you take care of the following things I am about to tell you. Competition of the keyword. Competition isn't just based on score that you see on tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. It's more than that. We don't usually check competition score from third-party tools. We make use of YouTube search and see the videos already ranking, and from there, we can get to a conclusion. Now let me type in how to avoid copyright strike on YouTube. We can see a good number of videos ranking. We have gone through the videos, and we found that most of the videos talk about how to apply for removing strike once it has been made. We wanted a video that would help people who follow the cash cow model, in other words who use others' videos according to YouTube fair use policy. In that sense, we actually had very low competition as most of the videos talked about removing copyright strikes and not how to avoid them in the first place. So our video was about how to edit videos in such a way to minimize the copyright strike if you want to fall under the YouTube fair use policy. So there was a gap in this topic, and we thought let's utilize this. If you are a YouTube cash cow channel creator, I highly recommend checking this video out. Link in the description. Video SEO. Video SEO is all about optimizing the video from creation to uploading so that your video is easily found in the search results. Now let me show the things I have done in this video, how to avoid copyright strike. If you look at the title, I have mentioned how to avoid copyright strike on YouTube cash cow videos. This is our main keyword. This is a long tail keyword. This means there are more than 4 words in the actual keyword. One advantage of using long tail keywords is that there will be low competition, and if you have a new channel, it can help you a lot in driving those initial views fast. Now check the description. Have mentioned the same long tail keyword again. We have also mentioned the same keyword and its variations in the video tags. And did you notice one special thing in this video? Just look at the like to dislike ratio, and it's almost 100%. This means the viewers really did enjoy watching this video and found it really useful. Not only that, this video also has a good audience retention on account of people liking the video and finding it helpful. I have made sure the video is presented in a step-by-step format so people who are looking for the information can be able to understand it easily. If you are still here watching the video thus far, we have a good news for you. We really wish you that you grow your YouTube channels. If you want to learn the actual methods on how to get hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube to increase your earnings, then we have a special course for you, where we reveal the exact step-by-step process of how videos blow up on YouTube, and how you can implement the strategies we have learned to get similar results. It's running at 25% discount. Check the link in description, guys. We also have a series of videos on our channel for you guys to help you out in your YouTube journey. Link in description. Do check them out. Until next time, peace.